more example to go through. So here I'm asking you to do the same thing. Find the center, the vertices, the co-vertices, and the foci. Okay, so we got the center is probably the easiest to find. So the center, you're just going to really have to look at it. I can tell that this is a good point right here. This is a good point. And then we got this is a good point, and this is a good point. So that means my center must be right here. There's my center. So my center is the point, -1, 2. Left 1, up 2. All right. Now, which of these are my vertices and which of these are my co-vertices? So what we have to remember is your vertices come from whatever is the longest. So for this one, this is the longest piece of my ellipse. So therefore, these two are my vertices. So that vertice right there is the point 6, 2. And also, the point right here, -8, 2. So once again, these are my vertices. We'll put V for vertices. This is my center. So that means that these 2 points right here must be my co-vertices. They are the vertices on my minor axis, the shorter part of the ellipse. So this is my co-vertice, but put CV, co-vertice. So this point right here is -1, 5. And this point right here is -1, -1. Okay, and then last but not least, the foci. So the foci is the hardest one to find. I know that my foci is going to be somewhere like right here and right here. I know that because, remember, the foci are part of the major axis, so the longest part of the ellipse, and it's inside of the vertices, so somewhere right here and right here. I just have to find out exactly where about that is using that equation. So we got c squared is equal to a squared minus b squared. Okay. So what we have to do is we have to figure out what the heck is A and B. So right here we got this right here is going to be my A. See how many that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So A is 7. And this right here is going to be my B because that's the shorter part. 1, 2, 3. So B is 3. Now all we have to do is just plug it in. So this says c squared is equal to 7 squared minus 3 squared. C squared is equal to 49 minus 9. C squared is equal to 40. Square root both sides. C is equal to plus or minus whatever the square root of 40 is. So we got the square root of 40 is 6.32. Let's just round that to 6.3. Okay, so that means that my focus, I know that my focus is somewhere here and somewhere here. This number right here tells us how many to go from the center. So we're going to go right 6.3 and then left 6.3 to draw our focus, or our foci. So we're going to go right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.3. There's my focus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.3. That's my focus. What are those coordinate points? So to find those coordinate points, we got, let's see, this point, this red point right here is right 5.3 up 2. 5.3 up 2. And then this focus right here is, let's see, left 7.3 up 2. Left 7.3 up 2. Okay. So over your next piece is the assignment. So you're going to go back to your lesson folder in Schoology and complete the assignment called Conic Sections Day 1 on a separate sheet of paper. You're going to take a picture of your work. Please make sure your name is on it. If your name is not on it, I don't know that you did it. And then I just wanted to give you a picture of what it looks like, okay? So that is what you have to do for your lesson today. Have a good rest of your day.